Okay. What? Oh. Okay.
Searching. They're searching for the robots. Okay, they found them. This guy right here, his name is Dash. So we'll just let him. Just wait for them. Okay, just give it a second. Okay.
Whee!
Yeah, so I gave him several things. Yeah, so these are my robots. These are the things that I wanted to show you so I can control Dash. I can make them do some programs.
Yeah.
I can make them bark, moo, or do elephant noises. Even do some honks. So yeah, and I also can change their lighting color to make them look like this, to have a little happy face and wink, stuff like that. So let me just turn the entire thing back. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing I wanted to show you. And maybe in some other videos I might show you some programs with these two guys. So that's a Dot, that's Dash. This guy can move. Usually this is supposed to be a program. There's also an app that you can have on your iPad. It's called Go. It's a Go app.
Well, but also there's other, and also the apps that I wanted to show you with the program is called Blockly, and also all the other apps are supposed to be for ages 5 to infinity. Because these robots basically you can grow up with them.
Yeah, and I maybe one of these I could make some apps with them. Like for example, let's try Simon Says. This is one of my favorite. Oh, sorry. It's called Simon Says. So when they hit the top red button that they have. Okay. So basically, Dot will kind of, gosh, it'll make him look up. He'll go up. I'll make Dot look down. He'll go back. If I make him lean left. Sorry, he'll go that way. If I make him lean that way, he'll go that way. And even if I toss it, oh, this might not work. Ethan, hands out, catch. Oh, I guess it didn't work. Sometimes this thing doesn't work.
Whee!
There. So that guy says wee. If I shake it. Yeah, so he does some things. So this guy can detect if he's moving, rolling, stuff like that. This guy can move. And they also have 3 buttons. There's a 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, these guys are actually pretty cool. So there's also an off button. You also get to charge these guys. So yeah. They also need to be connected. So they're not just like remote control purpose. So yeah. So Ethan, if you mind, will you just take these bots? Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, and also they include some accessories, but we'll be showing them later.
Yeah, I have one. We have one of them, but that one is like a block one that you can connect. So yeah, I might do some introductions with those guys to make them say hello and stuff like that. Unfortunately, they're limited on words, so we're gonna try to kind of program them to do some new words. But let's get started. Back to the point. Uh-oh, I didn't even start. Sorry. So great math number 60. Okay, let's get started. Back to math. Okay, just wanted to show you guys that. Today we're going to do what?
Can I have the iPad back?
Yeah, he has a program and he's going to start on his videos. He might be the first one to do an introduction. Maybe it's me, I don't know. So yeah. So let's do 1.3.4. We're going to do the B, which is usually harder. And we're going to do something that you will be scared about. See, that's already scary. Having a point something minus 96 plus big parentheses 486 over 25. You see, that is scary. That specifically. So when we see something scary, like fractions are not too scary, decimals are really scary. But remember, we learned in the very past videos how to turn a decimal into a fraction, and also a fraction into a decimal. But we don't want to turn that into a decimal because then that's going to be way too complicated. We don't want that. So let's get started. How do we do that? Okay, so remember we did 1.64 is equal to x. We'd have to multiply by 100. because every 0 moves the decimal place twice, moves this place 1 place, so 100 is 2 places, so the 864 is equal to 100x, and you would put that, and you would isolate the variable. X is still here, and it will be 864 over 100 is equal to x. So yeah, so now we know the fraction version of it, 864 over 100. There, not too scary anymore. Minus, parentheses, okay, 96, how do we solve that? I know this is divisible by 3 and 32. That's divisible by 4 and 8. That's 2 and 2. That's 2 and 4. And that's 2 and 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s, and 1 3. So it's 3 times 2 by the power of 5. 3 times 2 by the power of 5. Plus, now you have a big number. 486, we're going to try to do that. So 486, let's see, that's divisible by 2 for sure, so we'll try that. 2, 4, and 3. And that's divisible by, so 2 plus 6, actually that's divisible by 9. So we'll do 20, we'll divide that by 9. 3 doesn't work because that's 27. 2 does, so it's 18 minus that. Bring up the 1, it's 14. That's 6, bring down the 3, then 7, that's 27. That's 3 and 3. That's 3 and 9, and that's 3 and 3, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s, and 1, 2. So 2 times 3 by the power of 5. Times 3 by the power of 5 over 5 by the power of 2, because 25 is 5 by the power of 2. Okay. So we got that in check. Now we're going to prepare them to make them get out of it. So 864, how do we do that? It's divisible by 8, I think. No, I'm not sure, so we'll just try 4. Actually, it'll be easier if we try 2. So that would be 4, 3, 2. Divide that by 2 again. That's 2, 1, 6. Divided by 2 again. Oh, I guess it was divisible by 8. 108. And I know that's divisible by 9 and 12. That's 3 and 3. And that is 3 and 4. Which that is 2 and 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s times 3 by the power of 3. I think. Yeah, there's 3. So yeah. So it's 2 by the power of 5 times 3 by 2 by the power of 5 times over 100, which is 10 squared. And how can we get these out? So that can be 2 by the power of 4, 2 by the power of 2, which is the same thing as 4 by the power of 2, times 3 times 2. Because you have to take that out and you have to take that out too, because we want this entire thing and that has to stay in because none of those are squares. Minus 2 by the power of 4, 2 by the power of 4 or 4 by the power of 2 times 3 times 2, because we have to take that out and take that out because none of those are squares, plus 3 by the power of 4 or 9 by the power of 2 over 5 by the power of 2 times 2 times 3 because of this guy. Yeah, and now we can get them out. We can get 4 times 3 over 10 or 12 over 10 or 6 over 5. And 3 times 2 is 6 minus, oh wait, no, that's a 4. 6 plus 9 over 5 times 6, and we'll just keep that because we might need that. So let's see, now we have to subtract it from here to here. So we have to turn that into something over 5 by 6 minus, and you can minus because these are kind of like variables. You have to keep them, you can't get rid of them. Over 5 over 20 by 6 plus 9 over 5 by 6 And when we do that, that's going to be a negative number. Negative 14 over 5 by square root of 6 plus 9 over 5 by square root of 6. You add that, that's 5 over 5 by square root of 6. Also equal to 1 times square root of 6. Oh, by the way, these are negative numbers still. Also equal to negative square root of 6. Ta-da! And we're done. And that's great math number 60, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.